All right, we'll go over the game plan real quickly. We're going to go for Area C first, which is between the grass path and the corner of Royce and Washington. That's where we have the most resprouts of pears, and that was burned last in 2022. So we'll attack that first.
Thanks.
If it goes quickly, which there's kind of no reason it shouldn't, then we're going to jump over and do Section D, which is where we're standing now at the corner. Typical things to watch out for would be jumping the grass path and igniting D before we want it to be ignited. People on the path, and then a wind shift that would put smoke on Royce Road would probably make us shut down pretty immediately. So we'll do the typical work in radio teams. I'd say Pat and Jack, you two can be in the utility vehicle. Tammy and Tiffany, you can work together. And Maddie and Delaney, you two can be together. One of you wear the radio. That's pretty much it for today. This is definitely an area we're familiar with. We've done a bunch of times, and that's all we got. Let's go. So we'll approach things kind of in a way to make sure we're productive for the day. You can see we started on Area C and the wind shifted in a not desirable way. Smoke was going across the road. So we like to plan ahead. We don't want to waste the whole day. So we pick areas adjacent that might accommodate a wind shift. So we're already here, we're already set up. You know, we'll still be able to accomplish something. Even though it's not our primary area, we have a secondary area we want to target. And so that's the way we like to plan, just to maximize a good day for burning. Looks like it's going to head fire a little bit.
Copy that.
We're just watching both sides of the fire here and how it's behaving. And Tammy and I are working pretty closely with each other, trying to keep up so that whichever way the wind's going to push the fire on that other side, there's like a black area burn. And we're kind of working our way back. The wind's kind of dancing a little bit, so neither one of us wants to get too far ahead.